Ain't no gift like the present tense. Ain't no love like the whole romance. Got to make hay when the sun is shining. Can't waste time when it comes time to dance. Slamming this door with a heavy hand, signing this line like a deed to land. Keeping in touch with the windows down, dreading this night as the rain hits the ground. Long live the heart, long live the soul that knows what it wants. That peace you can't find, that part is a whole, and it never lets go.
I just smoked that turkey at like 45 yards with my recurve. Oh, that was sweet. I either missed him at like 10 yards. I'm not sure if that missed him. He walked over, he acted kind of sick, so I don't know. I gotta watch the video, but he's standing down there about 45 yards and I just stuffed him. Yeah! That felt good. It's been a while since I broke the old dark archer out. So that's my first turkey with a recurve in about probably 6 years or so. So that was pretty rewarding. I was really skeptical about trying that shot, but then I could see he was panting a little bit, and I thought, well, maybe I just didn't hit him real good on the first shot. So I just took my time and drew and just kind of raised her up. And to be honest with you, I was just shocked when it hit him like it did. That was fun. can see him flopping around down there. I'll grab the camera off the tripod and we'll go take a look. Wow, dang, that was cool. That'd be my best shot I ever made with a recurve. A little bit forward, but who cares? For a follow-up shot. Oh, crazy. Pretty nice bird. Got some decent little spurs on it. Huh. The old dark archer. Well, that's not too far off. Get that out of there. I'll have to watch the video and see where I shot the first shot, but if you're like me and you like to get back away from the roads and hunt turkeys, especially in a place like where I'm at, the Black Hills of South Dakota right now, probably a mile from my pickup, and I got a pretty good load with this bird, my blind, my tripod, camera, decoy. I'm carrying my decoy right now, but I brought my recurve today, so a little bit lighter. But if you enjoy doing this kind of stuff and you want to film your own hunts, you can't beat a rack pack for getting in and out. There's just, I wouldn't want to be doing it without it. I sat there for probably a good hour before this bird came. He was gobbling from a long ways away, but finally came in. So I was nice and comfortable in my chair. If you want to get a rack pack, just go to magnusbroadheads.com.